Do not trust anybody. Once a merchant was going through the forest with his camel. He left the camel in the forest as it was sick and continued his journey all by himself. It ate whatever was available in the forest, recovered soon, and was happy. The lion, fox, and the crow were living in unity in the same forest. They came to know about the camel, and they inquire it. The camel narrated the incident, and all the four became good friends. One day, when the lion hunted an elephant, it got hurt very badly, so he stayed inside his den and could not come out. So the lion could not go out hunting. The other animals could not hunt, and all of them starved. The lion called the fox, the crow, and the camel. "Mr. Fox, I am very hungry. Go in this direction and get me some food." "Mr. Crow, you go in the other direction. Mr. Camel, you go in the opposite direction and get something. All the three of you must come back with food." "Okay, you can go now." All the three, which went into different directions, could not get any food. They met again together and took a decision. Accordingly, they stood in front of the lion. "The Lion King, I searched everywhere but could not get food to satisfy your hunger. So I offer myself as food and you can eat me." "No, my lord, the crow is too small. I will be able to satisfy your hunger. You can kill and eat me." "No, your honor, and last of the three, and I am the only one who can satisfy not only your hunger, but the others' hunger also. So, you kill and eat me." Though each one gave their own ideas. As soon as the camel gave his idea, the lion and the fox pounced on him immediately. Morale: those who cunning will always fulfill their wicked thoughts, however friendly you may be. If you trust others easily, you will naturally have to face unexpected difficulties. Even if it appears good at the first instance, when the time comes, the wicked person's nature will not change. Come on, little bunnies. Give thumbs up for the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos.